Where's the carton?
Second hand, they ask for carton.
No, no more. Where I sit on by so.
In everything they talk.
I say now, good man you be. My
Thank you,
customer.
thank you, thank you. Thank you. I have 45. Bring 45.
45 will go 30 billion.
No be 30 billion. Just bring 45. You never ask 45. We
say na new phone na second.
Na second new na aba.
Second new. Oh yeah, me lenu na. Eyan mo ibu enu yin ti fe.
Oh yeah, customer na that one you want to.
No. How much na this one?
This one.
Infinix.
This one for you. They can 40.
40. 45. 40.
You know.
How much na this one?
This one. And this one, last week the thing just enter. Now confirm phone, you know.
From where?
See the camera clear well.
Second.
Take this one 35 you know.
45, 40, 35. Only no more. That for date 20.
Now which one you want buy now?
You know me, I know the amount where I get one.
Oh yeah.
So when I get to the amount like this, I'll now tell you my price. Baga. You understand me? Oh nah, you don't waste time. You stole the phone?
No, be that still.
Say no dey there and they sing.
Now you touch and na song wey follow and come. Me na I tell you say na second new na the song wey follow and come. Take this one too 35. Me na 35.
Wait, what's the difference between this and this?
Look at na 35. Na correct phone na. This one 45, this one 40. No be 40 naira na 40,000.
I no be get the amount you dey mention. I no get am.
So you can't waste my time.
No, I no get the amount. Ask me now how much I want.
How much you want pay?
You know na say I come.